with Sean Big Bass Brogan.
Yeah, this is a good fish. He's swirling. Oh.
And we got ourselves a big one, folks.
Something about those shad, man.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a big fish, folks. We may have a new game plan. We have caught more fish than I've ever seen in my life. And we are closing with this massive guy right here.
Alright, big, come here. Golly, man. Head on this thing. Okay, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do that. One more time. Aha!
That's a fish, folks.
Yes, it is.
That's
a fish.
A big fish.
Hell yeah. Nice.
Okay, we're signing out.
Alright, he's